Welcome again. Now I will present about the morphological features of indigenous chicken ecotype found in Kenya. The status of this manuscript is already finished, and I will give you a summary of the output. First, I can start with the population studied. I studied 5 indigenous chicken ecotypes, which falls into one cluster. That is Western Pokot from the North Rift region of Kenya, Kakamega ecotype from the Western region, Siaya ecotype from the Western region, Bomet and Narok ecotype from the South Rift region of Kenya. Those are the population studied. I will move direct to the results. For the methodology, you can find in the paper, but mostly I used what we call the Krustawali's test to differentiate different morphological features. If you can see there, we have different body plumages recorded in the ecotypes. All ecotypes had different body plumages. So among the body plumage colors, the percentage of black color, black, white striped, brown and red was significantly different between some ecotypes. Whereas the body feather distribution, it was dominated by the normal feathered chicken, consisting between 61 to 69%, except in one ecotype. In Kakamega ecotype, the naked neck and the normal feathered chicken shared almost equal percentages. In terms of feather morphology, as you can see there, the cock in white is the normal feathered, and the other cock is what we call the frizzle feathered. Those are the main 2 types of feather morphology observed. Silky was not recorded. Although silky exists, it's mostly imported, and it's only found in highly intensive farms. So normal feathered chicken dominated the population, composing of over 90%. In terms of shank length, there was 2 types, that is the normal and the dwarf. The shank length varied significantly between different body plumages within any ecotype. In terms of earlobe colors, different or 3 types of earlobe colors were recorded. That is the white and the red and pink. And there was significant difference between the body plumage colors within a given ecotype. As you can see there, we have the white one, and then we have the red, or sometimes we call it the pink earlobe. In terms of shank length, the shank length varied within the population. There was high variation in shank length. Also, there was variation in shank length between the ecotypes. For example, the chicken from Narok region had the longest shank length, and I will explain the reason when I will be presenting my paper on the effect of climate change on indigenous chicken. I will tell you the reason why the chicken from Narok had the longest shank length. In terms of comb ecotype, there was a number of different types of combs recorded in the population. As you can see there, we have the single comb, we have what we call the P comb, the cushion, and we have what we call Okay. So in the combs varied significantly, highly significantly between the ecotypes, with some ecotypes recording single comb above 83%, while some population had single comb only. The main factor for this was the comb has a very crucial function in terms of heat regulation in chicken. Further, if you can see the graph there, I was trying to capture what you call the indigenous knowledge. And I found that in each and every region, the people keeping chicken have their own indigenous knowledge. When I compare different body plumage colors between the regions, I found that the farmers were utilizing the colors differently. If you can see in terms of black color, the black body plumage chicken, in Bomet, Narok, and Bondo, they prefer the black color for egg production. But for West Pokot and Kakamega, they prefer the black color for meat production. So already that's a variation. That was the same case for all different body plumage chicken in the studied regions. And conclusion is that indigenous chicken ecotypes studied are heterogeneous population with huge variability in morphological features, and it is not possible to cluster indigenous chicken based on morphological features. Thank you.
Before we begin, can I ask you that if you ask the question, can you put it down and then sort of so if you have